Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos hard shell. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for achieving that perfect crispness without burning. Next, arrange about 12 soft corn or flour tortillas on a baking sheet. Make sure they are in a single layer. Then, lightly brush both sides of each tortilla with a small amount of vegetable oil. This helps them become golden and crunchy. While your shells are getting ready, let's prepare the delicious filling. Brown 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a skillet over medium heat. Add your favorite taco seasoning according to package directions for a burst of flavor. Once cooked through, make sure to drain any excess fat from the meat mixture. This keeps your tacos from being greasy. Also, get your favorite toppings ready, like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and cheese. Now back to those shells for that perfect crispness. Bake the tortillas for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are pliable and slightly firm. This makes them easier to shape. Carefully remove them from the oven. Then, gently fold each tortilla in half over the bars of your oven rack to create that classic hard shell shape. Return them to the oven and continue baking for another 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are golden brown and wonderfully crisp. With your shells perfectly crisp and your filling ready, it's time for the best part, assembly. Carefully fill each warm, crispy taco shell with your seasoned meat mixture. Don't overfill them, but make sure there's enough for a satisfying bite. Then pile on your favorite toppings. Think shredded cheese, fresh salsa, cool sour cream, or even some guacamole. Get creative and make them your own. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for your car, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.